Hello my dear viewers, good day, how are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me again, Evelia Sadulio, a teacher at the same time a YouTuber. And to this video, I will share how to use Google Classroom. And this is good for teachers and even students. Okay, I will show you how to create a class, how to share module, how to share videos, and even how to make an assignment and quizzes. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified if there is a new video that I will upload. By the way, just watch until the end because magpapa-freeload po ako. Nandoon kung paano kayo mag-join, paano kayo maging winner ng free load. Okay, just continue watching. Okay, let's start by clicking Google Chrome, and in the browser you type Google Classroom. And then you will be asked to sign in. If you are not yet, you will be asked to sign in. So what you will do is just to click sign in Google account. So you will be asked your Gmail account and then your password. Since I already signed in automatically, I have already opened my Google Classroom. So as a teacher, if you want to create a class, what you need to do is just to click this plus sign, and if you are also a student, if you want to join a class, you can also click this plus sign. Okay, so let's try to click this one. So create a class and then just click here and continue, and then you will be asked to determine the class name. So let's say my other section. Okay, then lalagay ko rin dito yung mahogany, and subject is okay, then create. I will not add some room number, so create. Okay, now we already have our class grade 9 mahogany. So what is the first thing to do is to give your class code to your students. So, saan ba natin makikita yung class code? So, what you will do is just to click it here, display. I-click mo lang siya, and then you will see the class code. So, ano yung gagawin mo dito? You just copy this one and then share this to your student. So once mag-join yung student mo in your class, they are going to write this code, and then makakapasok na sila sa ating klase. Okay, so in created class, we have the so-called stream, classwork, we have people, and of course the grades. So in stream, you can communicate with your student, you can create announcement, you can share something with your class. So for example, in this time of pandemic, you can share your module in here. You can also share videos, you can also share blog posts. Again, you can share your SLM, or you can share, I think you can share some created ebook. Okay, later on I will be opening one of my class so that you can see what are the things that I shared on my classes. Okay, in the classwork here, you can create your assignment, your quizzes. As long as you click create, you can create assignment, quiz, question materials. Okay. In people, once you give the code or the class code to your students, once they join and type the class code, automatically they will be included in our list in here. And then in the grades, you can also give them grades and it will be shown in here. Okay, so let's try some of my classes. okay, my advanced chemistry class. So what are the things that I have shared in stream part? So I have here, I shared my self-learning material number 1 for week 1. So I have it here, and then your task, your assignment will also be shown here, but then you will create that one in the classwork. So I also shared video lesson and another the SLM with answers K. And next, I also shared my SLM tool to my students. And again, I also shared a video. And here also, your assignment is shown in here. And again, the answers K of the SLM2. And this one, another SLM3. And then also some assignment. So once you created your classwork, the students can see your task here, the upcoming task, and they can see the due date. Okay? So by the way, paano tayo mag-share? Just click share, and then it's say SLM. I-type mo lang what SLM number, SLM, and then let's say SLM4, and then here you add clicking file, since the file will be from your computer. So sa may upload part ha, not from recent upload. If you have also your SLM in your drive, you can click it here. So since we'll be using the list from, or the SLM from our computer, so we click browse, and then hanapin mo saang part yung SLM mo. So ano yung gagawin mo? Just click the SLMs. Let's say this one, SLM4, open. Okay, you have it there, and then pwede mo na siyang i-post. Okay, hindi ko lang i-click dito because they are still answering our SLM3, which is good for 2 weeks. Okay, cancel ko muna. That is how you share your SLM. And what if you want to share video? So you just click video on, let's say, balancing equation. Okay, then you click also add. And then if you want to use the YouTube, you can click it here. And then you can type the URL. You can search first kung ano yung URL. For example, okay, so just type balancing chemical equation. Okay, so you can share one of this. For example, this one. Click mo lang siya, then you can copy this one. You can copy the URL, copy, and then you go back to your, and then click paste. By the way, you can also type here the title of the video. So you search, click search, and then you can already add, just like that. But hindi natin i-add. But that is how you add videos from YouTube. But then if you have your link, you can also type it here. You can also type it, click link, and then type or copy here, paste. Okay, just, and then you click add link. Pwede rin yan. Okay, then if you have already the video, you can just click post, and then it will be shown to your students, just like this one. Watch how to write chemical formula binary ternary acids. Okay, that is how we share something to our students. And for the classwork, so I have here some assigned tasks to them. May mga due date pa tayo. So what you will do is just to click create and give an assignment. So ilagay mo lang dito yung title, then maglagay ka ng instruction. Then you can set the points. Let's say 10 points, 100 points, whatsoever. And then lagyan mo dito ng due date so that the students can see kung when they're going to submit the assignment. Okay, just like that. And then, if they need some rubrics, pwede mo dito i-add yung rubrics. Okay, then assign. I-click mo lang yung assign. Click mo lang dito yung assign. Then, it will be already shown like this one with due date. Okay? You can also create quiz assignment. So, dito, mayroon tayong blank quiz. Ilagay mo also yung title, yung instruction, due date, yung points. And then dito, pwede kang gumawa ng quiz gamit na ang blank quiz. So, you can have untitled question. Pwede kang mamili kung multiple choice ba yung gagamitin mo, short answer, paragraph. If you will check short answer, lalagay mo lang dito yung question, then there is short answer. Pag nilangyan mo siya ng paragraph, again, you will give the question, then they will write their answer in here. And if you will use multiple choice, you need to give the question and then the option. Mayroong option dito sa baba. Okay, that is how we create our, and then you can click send. Okay, yun lang. Okay, going back, sa people naman, once your students join the class with the class code, automatically they will be included in here. So, mayroon tayong 21 students as of now. And then, you can click each one para makita if they are doing their task. So, mayroon ditong attachment, meaning to say, nag-submit na yung bata. Actually, mayroon ditong note kung done late. Pag hindi sumagot or hindi nag-submit yung student ng kanilang answer, automatically, the remark here will be missing. Okay, yun lang. Okay, then sa grades naman, once you rate your students, it will be automatically be shown in here. So, dyan natin makikita kung ilan yung score ng bata. Lahat sila mayroon. Okay, so yung missing, meaning to say, hindi pa sila nag-submit. So, yun lang kadali. And then, you can also share something from your, for example, sa classwork, you can also add some assignment, adding link from your computer or from YouTube or from your Google Drive. So, pwede rin. Title, instructions, and then pwede mong i-add yung file sa laptop mo or even from the internet. If you have some question, you can just ask the questions on the comments below. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video episode. By the way, magpapa-freeload po ako. Sa video kong ito, magra-raffle po tayo ng load. What you need to do is mag-subscribe lang kayo sa channel kong ito, and then just comment down below your cell number, your school, if you are a teacher, and then I will announce the winner. I will announce the winner on my next video episode. Okay, so yun lang muna yung ipapamigay ko sa mga subscribers ko because I'm not that earning much in YouTube. Kaya tulungan nyo naman po ako na mag-grow more pa yung mga subscribers ko. Thank you so much. See you again on my next video.